everyone, welcome back to May's Happy Table. I'm gonna be making a Greek gyro sandwich for you today. This is my version of it. I love the gyros, but this is my version, and I get go all my ingredients at my local store, and it just always tastes better than the one I buy at the restaurant. So let me tell you what you would need. You would need the Greek pita bread, Greek style pita bread, and this is what it looks like right here. You got whole wheat, and then you got just the regular white. And right here I have some shredded up romaine lettuce, because that's what type of lettuce I have. Like I tell you, this is my specialty sandwich, May style. And I got a teaspoon of the Greek vinaigrette on that. Okay, you need to go to your local deli and get, I'm doing the roast beef, and then I'm doing roast beef with chicken on it. You can do either or. You can do just a plain roast beef, or you can do a roast beef, mix it with your chicken or turkey or whatever. But I'm gonna do one roast beef and one roast beef with chicken. You're gonna need some sliced tomatoes if you like it. If you like tomatoes, all of this stuff is optional, and some red onions, or either some sweet onions, whichever one is your preference. You can put on there. Just make this sandwich your own. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I slice up my beef for the sandwich. I normally take two or three slices. If you like a lot of meat, if you're feeling like a whole lot of meat or not so much, just take 2 or either 3 slices. And then I just kind of cut it. When I go to my local deli, I get my meat sliced on the one blade. I don't get it shaved, but then I cut it up fine. But I like to control. For some reason or other, I have gotten shaved meat at the deli, but I prefer to just get it on that one blade and that thickness to be perfect. And then I'm gonna take this meat, I'm gonna put it in a bowl, and then I'm gonna you can measure it if you want to. I'm a big measurer, but I do it all the time, so I about know how much it is. I'm gonna put approximately half a teaspoon to a teaspoon with this dressing on it. Just like that. And that's all you're gonna need. And you just kind of mix it up and mix it around. Because see, you already got this that Greek vinaigrette on that there on your lettuce. Just kind of mix it around. And then I stick this in the microwave put it in the microwave for about 10, 11, 12 seconds. Just enough to heat it. You don't want to let it stay in there too long. Don't your meat's going to start to draw up. Just let it stay in there long enough to get heated, and don't take long to do it. And I'm fixing to put this in the microwave, and I'll be back to show you how to assemble your gyro. Right back. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I have put my meat in the my roast beef, and then my chicken and roast beef mixed together. I put it in the microwave. I think I let it stay in there for maybe about 10 to 11 seconds. I like letting the roast beef stay a little too long. So I'm getting ready to assemble the sandwich, and I've already put this Greek yogurt dressing on it. Now, when it comes to your condiments and stuff like that you put on a sandwich, especially when you fixing a specialty sandwich for yourself, you fix that to your liking. You put as much, as less, or none at all if it ain't what you like. Now, I myself, I put my dressing on here because now I do not like a dry sandwich. keep your sandwich if it's dry. I got to have some mayo or some dressing or whatever. I just cannot eat bread, lettuce, meat, and tomatoes and stuff like that with my sandwich not being moist. Not to me, that just ruins a sandwich. I don't care what you got on it. Okay. So what I do, I take my meat. On my phone. Remember I told you I put that teaspoon or either half a teaspoon of that vinaigrette on this meat. That gives it that Greek seasoning, all the seasoning that you're gonna need. If you ever had a gyro at the restaurants, you know it got that little Greek seasoning on it. Let me put that extra piece of chicken in there, just like enough meat. Then I normally I like tomatoes, love tomatoes. I got a little salt and a little black pepper on it. And then right down in the center, I don't know why I like it in the center of the bread, I put my lettuce. Put my lettuce on there. Just kind of spread that out some. Then I take me just a few pieces of red onions, whatever I'm feeling like. Now sometimes I put the Dijon mustard on here. Is like I say, all of this is according to your liking, whatever you like. I'm just gonna assemble one and show you how I fold it up. I do it. Take me a toothpick, put it right down the center. And you have a gyro. I don't believe you can buy one better. Be absolutely delicious. If you want more meat in there, you can do it. It's a specialty sandwich. You fix it just like you want it. Okay, I'm gonna assemble the other one. I'll assemble it the same way, and I'll be right back to show you the finished product. Okay, everybody, this is the finished product of Maymay's gyros. And if you try this sandwich and you like it, give me a comment. Give me a comment and tell me how you like it, and tell me if you did something different to it or something you do different to your sandwiches and stuff that you think that makes it good. Just drop me a comment. And if you like my channel, which I'm gonna be putting out more comments at all times, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button to let you be notified whenever I'm dropping a new video. And most of all, hit that like button.